In this video, I will show you how to feature channels on YouTube. So this is actually a great little thing you can do, and if you do have multiple YouTube channels, you can actually use this to promote your YouTube channels across all your different channels. It's very easy to do, so with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up youtube.com, and what I'm going to do is come across to my channel just to show you exactly what this is going to look like. You'll see when anyone visits my channel, a bit down the page we've got this section here called featured channels, and there's actually a channel here which is another one of my channels which I have featured on this one, so people can visit that channel if they want to. You can actually change this as well, so you can have this, for example, at the top of the page. So this section here where it says like popular uploads and created playlists, I can kind of move these about, so I could put featured channels at the top. So to do this, you want to make sure you're logged into your account, and what you want to do is click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then come down and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you come across to YouTube Studio, you then want to come to this menu on the left hand side and just scroll down until you get to the customization option down here, and then go ahead and give that a click. So you're now going to be presented with a page that's going to look like this, and at the top of the page you'll see we've got three options. So we've got layout, branding and basic info. You want to make sure you're on this tab which says layout, and then all you want to do is just scroll down the page until you get to this section which says featured sections, and this way you can come to actually add the featured channels. So all you need to do is click onto this add section button over here, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the featured channel section, which you can see is down here. Click that to add it, and then what you can do is just type any channel on YouTube that you want to add. So I'm going to use that example that I showed you, and all you would do is click this tick box next to it, and you can actually add different channels. You can add multiple channels at the same time, and once you've chosen that, all you need to do is click the done button down here in the bottom right hand corner, and this is going to add to the featured channel section. So I'm going to get rid of this. I've just created two, so I'm just going to delete one of these. And then what you can do to move this about is basically these two kind of lines to the left of the featured section. You can actually click your left mouse down and hold that, and you can drag this up the page like so. And then what you want to do after you've done this is click the publish button in the top right hand corner. You're going to get a prompt at the bottom, a little pop-up which is going to say changes published. When you go to your channel, you will now see the featured channel section should have been added. You can see I've actually moved it to the top of the page now, and this is what people are going to see when they come to your channel. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if this did help you out, then be sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for YouTube, then make sure you click the on-screen prompt. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.